In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram carousel post using Canva. Whether you're new to design or a seasoned creator, Canva makes it remarkably easy to craft stunning, eye-catching posts that will engage your followers. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, let's get started with Canva, which is an incredible online tool for creating professional quality graphics without any design expertise required. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up for free at canva.com. Once you're logged in, you'll find a search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in Instagram carousel and hit enter. As soon as you search, you'll see a variety of templates specifically designed for Instagram carousel posts. These templates are a fantastic way to jumpstart your design process because they provide a cohesive look across multiple slides, perfect for storytelling or showcasing a series of related images. Browse through the selection and choose a template that fits the style you're aiming for in your post. There are various themes and color schemes available, so there's something for every taste and brand aesthetic. Once you've found a template you like, hover over it and click on Customize this template. This will open up the Canva editor and allow you to modify the design to suit your specific needs. Now comes the fun part, customizing your chosen template. Within the Canva editor, you have the flexibility to adjust nearly every aspect of the design. Let's start by editing the text. Simply click on any text box within the template and you'll be able to type in your own words. This is where you can add your message, call to action, or any other text that you want your audience to see. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and colors to align with your brand's look. Canva also offers a wide range of customizations, including changing images, colors, and even adding graphics or elements from the comprehensive Canva library. Don't be afraid to explore these options to make your carousel post uniquely yours. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download your work. Click on the download button located at the top right corner of the Canva editor. Be sure to select the appropriate file type such as PNG or JPEG, which are ideal for Instagram. Also, ensure you tick the option to download all pages so every slide in your carousel is included. And there you have it, you've successfully created an Instagram carousel post using Canva, tailored to your style and ready to capture the attention of your followers. With just a few easy steps, you've crafted a beautiful visual story, perfect for engagement on social media.